Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. Now, in order to use the SIM card, you can take a look at the tab of the Galaxy Tab. Over here on the right side, we have the SIM tray with this hole over here. In order to open the SIM tray, you need to use the pin tool that is of course included inside the box of the Galaxy Tab, and you want to put this pin, you want to insert it into that hole and then push it down like so, just a little bit, so that it comes out just a little bit. It looks then like this, and from that point of course you want to use your fingers in order to take it out completely. And once you take it out, you will find the SIM tray, and over here you should be able to insert the SIM card. Now I have to mention something because there are two versions of S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. There are Wi-Fi only versions, which mean that you cannot use the SIM card, you can only use the memory card. So if you cannot find or you cannot insert the SIM card into your SIM tray, then it means that you pretty much cannot use it at all, and you have the Wi-Fi version only. On the other hand, if you can actually insert it over here, if you can find the slot for that, then you should be able to insert it pretty easily, and then you need to put it back in, the SIM tray. So the version that I'm talking about right now that includes the SIM card slot is probably Wi-Fi plus 5G or Wi-Fi plus mobile data or something similar to that. If it only says Wi-Fi, then unfortunately in that case you cannot use the SIM card, like I cannot do as well. Now once you insert the SIM card into the SIM tray, you will need to put it back in, of course, and this is the correct side. You need to pretty much match it with the hole over here, put it back in, use your finger in order to put it back in, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!